is running away! We must catch him!
Ha ha! No one can stop me! The treasure is mine now! I am rich!
Wait! Why is the sea shaking?
Oh no! Oh no! The waves are very big!
You shouldn't have been out here.
My boat is not safe! It is shaking! Help me! I am scared! My boat is breaking! It is gone!
You come to my sea. You are very brave.
This is my land. You cannot take it.
No, no! I just pass here. I do nothing. Please let me go. I am sorry.
I do not believe you.
Now I catch you. You cannot run. You are weak. What is this? A treasure? This treasure is very nice. Now the treasure is mine.
No! That is mine! Give it back!
Too late. Goodbye.
Ah!
So beautiful. Now it is mine.
Wait. I hear something.
Can someone help me? Please!
Is someone calling for help? I heard it too.
Quick! Bring the small boat!
I will go. Follow me. Give me your hand. I will save you. Yes. Thank you. Please help me. I've got you. Don't worry. You're safe now. We made it. Why are you in the sea? Where is your boat? A big octopus attacked me. It broke my boat. It took my treasure, too. A big octopus? Really?
I am sorry for before. I tricked you before.
But now I will not do it again. I understand. Okay. We work together now. We are friends now.
We have a guest.
Be careful. Something is coming. The sea is shaking again.
You come back again? You are very brave.
Give the treasure back to us. It is ours.
You bring more people? That is funny. You cannot beat me.
Watch out! It is attacking!
Stop! Stop right now!
Good. We are safe. Ah! It is coming again. Keep moving. Do not stop.
hurry now!
The sea is shaking more. Look! More tentacles! Hold fast! No! We cannot fight it! It is too strong!
Stay calm. We must think.
Let me think. Look at the ropes on the sail. We can swing on the ropes. We move around and make it confused. Good idea. Let us do it now.
You'll be walking the plank now, mateys.
Go! Swing now! Go! Swing now!
You cannot win! Watch out! The tentacles are coming! I'll get you!
Keep moving! Do not stop!
No way!
Now! I go for the treasure. I got it! The treasure is back! We did it! We win! Let us leave now. Open the treasure chest. There are many jewels, too. Let us share it. Half for you, half for me. Can I join your team? I have no boat now. I want to go on an adventure with you. Yes, you can join us. Thank you, Captain. We are a team now. Let us go. Move forward. Like and share this video if you enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us.